Yes, it's premiere night here for Attack of the Clones, but outside the Ziegfeld Theater is the real show, Return of the Dorks. Thousands of 35-year-old men waiting days, even months, for just a taste of George Lucas's table scraps. Lonely men who have never had sex, not even with a Catholic priest.
And here with, all right, you're dressed as a huge nerd, yes?
Yes.
No, what, seriously, you're supposed to be...
I'm supposed to be a Jedi.
You're a Jedi Knight, yes. And what are the principles of a Jedi Knight? To
always defend truth and justice throughout the galaxy.
And to eat a lot of peanut M&Ms. Throughout the galaxy. You know what's good about this costume, folks? Take a look. He has the ability, he can crap his pants and no one will notice.
Everyone is engaging in rousing games of Star Wars Stratego. This is Risk. Very exciting. This game is normally played indoors by 12-year-olds. This is a nice break for you. You're getting away from the drudgery of your normal, mundane life, spent playing Stratego at home.
Unbelievable. Look, among the nerds, I found an actual girl here. Look at this. Not too shabby around here, huh, honey? The male-female ratio, yeah? I mean, you've got your veritable pick of the litter. You can choose from all kinds of guys who have no idea how to please you. She said pretty much, yeah. Who's going to stand up to this challenge?
I will.
Here he. Yeah, you're going to stand up to this? Yeah, right. And I'm stooping Lassie. It's a big commitment. All these guys standing in line here all this time waiting for the show. How do you explain this to your imaginary girlfriend? Look at this one. Oh my God. You look like some kind of super nerd. You know, that was built, it looks like you were built in a laboratory out of parts from lesser nerds. You know, like he's a bionic nerd, if you will. Jedi Obi wanna whack off right now.
I don't deal with lesser life forms.
You don't deal with lesser life forms? You must be a lonely guy. I kid. Look at you. How are you, cutie? What parent forced you to do this? Right over here. Sweetie.
I'm Princess Twi'lek.
That's adorable. That's really very, very cute. I'll be right over here. It's very, very cute. For me to poop on.
So what's going on here? You've got a little future nerd in here?
Yes, future nerd, future Jedi.
When is he due?
June 27th, 6 weeks.
Wow. That's the last time you'll ever see female genitalia.
Who's feeding your pet snake and or tarantula?
I would be remiss if I didn't come out here and find out what you Jedi were up to. I need not ask, of course, so...
Look at this. Look at this. It's a geek from another dimension.
Lord of the Rings? Lord of the Rings?
Come here. I am Black Wolf the Dragon Master, New York's unofficial wizard, and don't you forget it.
All right. And don't you forget to finish your fillet of fish.
Oh, quiet.
Dragon Master.
Oh, quiet.
Burger King, where all Dragon Masters eat. So you're here just to pay your respects to the Jedi?
Hello. You are one uninformed hound, you know that?
It's called reality, my friend.
What's going on? Apparently, the nerds are looking for a Jedi to challenge the nerd from Lord of the Rings. Whichever one of you wins is the Uber dork.
You're even lucky your superiors at late night even decided to let you out today.
Seriously,
Yes.
have you ever talked to a woman without having to give your credit card number?
You know what? Take this. Fresh hound.
Quite an imagination, yes. Do you think the whole plot of this movie is a little far-fetched? What do you guys think?
Of course not. And we're not allowed to talk about spoilers here.
I've got some spoilers. Who wants to hear a spoiler? Here's a spoiler. You will die alone. This is a Darth Vader impersonation from The Empire Strikes Back. Hit it.
You have failed me for the last time, Admiral. Captain Piet. Yes, my lord. Make ready the fleet and deploy it out so that nothing gets off the system.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Exactly like it, but
But-
you're not breathing heavily.
Now,
Imagine you've just run 10 feet and you're out of breath. Very exciting. Darth Vader himself is here. All the other nerds tremble in his presence.
What are you supposed to be?
I am Triumph. Oh, scary nerd.
This would be my chest box that helps me to breathe.
So this is to help you breathe, yes?
Yes.
And which of these which of these buttons calls your parents to pick you up? What are you supposed to be?
I am a stormtrooper.
You are a huge nerd.
You are a hot dog.
Do stormtroopers talk like 60s robots? I have no idea. I am a stormtrooper. I was built by Felix the Cat.
You know something? You would look really good with some sauerkraut and some mustard.
What, are you a Korean guy under there? Reveal yourself! Reveal yourself!
hi, I'm Colonel Sanders.
Okay, put it back up! Put it back up! Oh my God, that was a close one! We are witnessing an actual Star Wars nerd wedding. Truly beautiful. Can I ask a question about the couple? Where are they spending their honeymoon? Which arcade?
You may now kiss your bride-to-be.
The groom has kissed the bride after years of practicing on his sister and an Ewok doll. And now the nerds are congregating for the ceremonial banging of the plastic toys. This is what a nerd circus jerk looks like. I'm your father! Okay, you guys ready for some trivia? Here's the first question. What substance was Han Solo frozen in? Carbonite.
Carbonite.
No, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. The correct answer is who gives a This is a very exciting ritual. They play the previous crappy movie while the nerds act out scenes from it. Let's enjoy.
Excuse me.
But the most safest place would be the city is where.
All right, now they're asking to be pooped up. Let's go for poop back up. Look who's here, guys. Look who's here. Here with his Dear friends, our work here is over. We have enjoyed our stay, but the forces of reality and the demands of a normal sex life compel us to depart. May the force be with you. For me, to Papa.